Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sew Sampler July 2018 Sew Sampler Box. Sorry, Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box for July 2018. As it says, it's a monthly subscription quilting box. It costs $24.95 per month, and the shipping to Hawaii is $4.95. I don't know if it's the same everywhere else, but that's how much it cost me. And let's get into it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So, okay. There we go. So, I am a little late. I did get it a few days ago, but I've been so busy this week that I haven't had a chance to open it or show you folks. So let's get started. Okay, right away it says, "Adventure awaits." That sounds interesting. I love all this. And I love the colors, so let's get into it. So some more savings. Take 15% off any jelly roll or 2.5-inch strip purchase, and there's a bunch of samples right there. I like jelly rolls because they're already in strips. Just gotta cut them apart and sew them really quick and easy. And I'm just hiding the coupon code. So that is it for that. Okay, so this is a Dresden ruler, easy quilting ruler, easy Dresden set, and it has the pokey tool, bamboo pokey tool. And here's the instructions. I already have a Dresden ruler from Easy Angle, so I don't mind having another one. It might be a different size, so that is perfect. This is an 8-inch, so that's cool. I haven't made one yet. I always wanted to, so we shall see. Oh, this is great. It's chrome professional grade Schmetz sharp needles. It is 8012, which is pretty universal. I guess that's why it's called universal. But this is great because, you know, we can always use needles. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for that. Oh, here's the little booklet that always comes with everything. So let me see. I'm just going to look in it for the prices, which they added, which is nice. So this is 5 needles for FQS retail is $4.48. I'll have it in the description also, the prices, so you folks can see how much it adds up to. This is retail $6.98. And the next thing is the sew-in interfacing, lightweight interfacing for light to midweight fabric from Pellon. And it looks like it is 15 inches by 3 yards. So that's a nice size. So let's see how much that is. Sew-in interfacing is $2.48. And this cute little vintage trim rickrack, 100% cute, 3 yards, Be in My Bonnet by Lori Holt. It's a nice green color. Let me open it up so you can see what it actually looks like. I have a bunch of rickrack, but so I'm thinking that this is, all of this is for us to use in our whatever project it is that's in here. So this is super cute. Oh, it's still wrapped up. So anyway, I'm gonna leave that wrapping in, but hopefully you can see it's like a nice grass green color, not springy green, but you know, a little deeper green. And that is by Riley Blake and Lori Holt, and that costs $4.98. So $4.98 for this. And let's get to the fabric. So the fabric is Riley Blake Designs Vintage Adventure by Beverly McCullough. McCullough? Sorry, I'm butchering her name, I'm sure. So apologies. So let me open this up. I'm not gonna take it apart, but just so you can see. So Riley Blake by Vintage Adventure It's super cute. I love these colors. Yeah, I'm excited. Excited to use that. And that cost $18.98. So it's 20 jelly rolls. So it's 2.5 inch by width of fabric strips, and there's 20. So it's called a, I guess it's called a roly poly instead of a jelly roll. So it's 20 instead of the normal 40. And here's the barn block recipe, block number 4. I haven't started yet because I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. But, so there it is. Super cute. And here is the pattern that I'm assuming we can use all this for. So it's called Daisy Dresden Quilt Pattern. It's a Sew Sampler exclusive, and it's really cute. I love these little flowers and the happy colors. And it says what's in your box, so we can use all 4 things for the box, and this is the extra things that we need, which is the background, sashing, binding, and backing. And if you want to order the finishing kit, we can do that. So there you go. This pattern, the Daisy Dresden, is $9.98, and the barn block recipe is $4.98. Okay, that's it. I'll make sure that I have pictures of everything and the description plus where to get it. I'll put the link for Fat Quarter Shop's Sew Sampler quilt, and what else? Oh, the total price. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.